Unpacking, hit the books hard, master English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a popular English phrase that you might have heard, hit the books hard. This idiom is not only common but also a great example of how English can be colorful and expressive. Let's explore what it means, its origins, and how you can use it in your daily conversations. Hit the books hard is an idiom that means to study very intensely or with a lot of effort. It's often used when someone needs to learn a lot of information within a short period. The phrase paints the picture of someone so focused on their studies that they're metaphorically hitting their textbooks with all they've got. It's especially popular among students during exam seasons or when tackling challenging subjects. To fully understand this phrase, let's break it down. Hit, in this context, doesn't mean to physically strike something. Instead, it's used metaphorically to describe the act of engaging with something intensely. The books refers to study materials, textbooks, or any educational content. Hard amplifies the intensity of the action, indicating a high level of effort and dedication. Together, these elements combine to describe the action of studying with great dedication and intensity. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use hit the books hard in sentences. With finals coming up next week, I really need to hit the books hard this weekend. She's been hitting the books hard to pass her certification exam. If you want to improve your English quickly, you might have to hit the books hard. Using this phrase can add a playful yet serious tone to your statement about studying or learning. Idioms like hit the books hard are essential in English. They make conversations more colorful and expressive. Understanding and using idioms can also help you sound more like a native speaker and enrich your language skills. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning, usage, and importance of the idiom, hit the books hard. We hope this video has been informative and encourages you to incorporate more idioms into your English conversations. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every idiom you master is a step closer to fluency. Happy learning, and don't forget to hit the books hard.